If you've been diving into the world of AI, you might have heard of Arize, but is it really the best observability platform out there? Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype or falls short. Arize is designed to help teams monitor, analyze, and improve their AI models. At its core, it focuses on observability, meaning it's all about understanding how well your AI models are performing in real-world scenarios. Right off the bat, the interface is pretty user-friendly, which is a plus for those who might not be super technical. You can set up dashboards to track key metrics and visualize data trends, which is essential for spotting issues before they escalate. However, while the platform offers some solid features like drift detection and model performance tracking, there's a noticeable lack of detailed documentation on how to utilize these features effectively. This could leave some users feeling a bit lost, especially if they're not seasoned in AI. The intended audience seems to be data scientists and AI developers, but I wonder if casual users might find it overwhelming at times. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Arize excels in providing real-time insights, which is crucial for any AI deployment. The ability to visualize performance metrics is a standout feature that many users will appreciate. However, there are some downsides. The lack of comprehensive guides can be frustrating, especially for newcomers. Plus, while it does offer powerful tools, the pricing isn't very transparent, making it hard to gauge if it's worth the investment for smaller teams. If you're a large organization with a dedicated data science team, Arize could be a fantastic fit. But for smaller businesses or those just starting with AI, the complexity and potential costs might be a barrier. In conclusion, Arize has the potential to be a valuable asset for teams focused on AI observability. If you have the expertise to navigate its features, it's definitely worth considering. But for those looking for a straightforward, budget-friendly option, you might want to explore other alternatives first. Overall, it's a mixed bag that could be promising with the right support.